Shirodhara is a traditional Ayurvedic therapy, not a naturopathic treatment, though it may sometimes be offered alongside naturopathic practices. Here's an explanation of Shirodhara, its purported benefits, and how it's performed. Shirodhara. Shirodhara is an Ayurvedic treatment that originated in India. The word Shiro means head, and dhara means flow. This therapy involves gently pouring a steady stream of warm oil or other liquids over the forehead, specifically on the third eye area. Purported benefits. While scientific evidence is limited, proponents of Shirodhara claim it offers various benefits. 1. Stress reduction and relaxation. 2. Improved sleep quality. 3. Relief from headaches and migraines. 4. Reduced anxiety and depression symptoms. 5. Enhanced mental clarity and focus. 6. Balancing of the doshas, Ayurvedic body types. 7. Nourishment of hair and scalp. 8. Improved blood circulation to the brain, how it's performed. Preparation. The recipient lies on their back on a massage table. Their eyes are usually covered to protect them from the oil. Oil selection. A therapist chooses an appropriate oil based on the individual's constitution and needs. Common oils include sesame, coconut, or herb-infused oils. Oil pouring. Warm oil is poured from a special vessel, often copper, in a thin, continuous stream onto the forehead, focusing on the area between the eyebrows. Duration. The treatment typically lasts for 30-60 minutes. Post-treatment. After the oil flow stops, the therapist may gently massage the head and shoulders. The oil is then removed from the hair, or the recipient may leave it in for a period before washing. Rest. Following the treatment, it's recommended to rest for a short while to fully absorb the benefits. It's important to note that while many people find Shirodhara relaxing and beneficial, its effects are not universally proven by modern scientific standards. As with any alternative therapy, it's advisable to consult with a healthcare professional before trying it, especially for those with certain medical conditions or during pregnancy.